Dear student, today we discuss the VIVA question based on experiment meter bridge. On what principle meter bridge is working? The meter bridge is working on the principle of Wheatstone bridge. What is Wheatstone bridge? It is a combination of four resistors arranged as the four arms of a parallelogram. Right? P, Q, R, S are the four resistors. Along one diagonal, there is a galvanometer along with the key. And another diagonal, there is a cell along with the key. This is called meter bridge. Sorry, Wheatstone bridge. When this Wheatstone bridge is balanced, when there is no current flowing through the galvanometer, means then at this condition P upon Q is equal to R upon S. Why we call it bridge? We call it bridge because at the time of the balancing condition, means these 2 points are equal potential, then this galvanometer side work as a bridge for these 2 points because there is no current flowing through the galvanometer in that time. Now, why we call it meter bridge? The wire which we are using 1 meter length, which is made of constantan or manganese, that is an alloy. So, because we are using wire of length 1 meter, so it is called meter bridge. When meter bridge is balanced, when the galvanometer at a point between the 2 point AC is not showing any deflection, then we call it bridge is balanced. What order of resistance you want for the best balancing, best null point? So when all the 4 resistance are of the order, same order, then our bridge is to be sensitive and no current is flowing in it. Right? Next question. Why we are using thick copper strips? These are thick copper strips we are using. Why we are using thick copper strips? Because we know that resistance is R is equal to rho L upon A, resistance inversely proportional to area cross section. When area cross section is more, resistance is least. So we are taking it, the resistance of these strips negligible. Right? At what condition you can exchange the 2 diagonals? When the bridge is balanced, we can exchange the galvanometer side and cell side, then there is no effect on the balancing of the meter bridge. Right? More question arise in our next experiment. Next experiment, what we do? We are verifying the law of combination of resistance. Means when the resistance are in series, R1 plus R2. When the resistance are in parallel, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Examiner can ask, when you combining these 2 resistors, in which method the resistance is least? In parallel, and the resistance is higher in series. What we do here? When we join it in series, like this, right? When we have to join in parallel, right? So by same question arising, what is the effect of temperature on resistivity of the wire? Resistivity of wire does not affect it because it is an alloy made of made of constantan or manganese. Right. Other factors which are affecting the practical, yes. When we are taking the reading, then we close the key, cell key. Otherwise, what happens when the current flow longer time, the wire become heat up, resistance get changed, and you can get wrong results. बच्चों, हमने कोशिश करी है कि आपको वाइवा के लिए नेक्स्ट आपको वीडियो अवेलेबल हो जाएगी.